So welcome back to this channel IBM classes. Um, I'm creating this video to discuss do until loop or do until command in CL programming, which is a control statement. So earlier we discussed do while loop, which is a top tested loop where we first check the condition, then execute the statement inside the body of that loop if the condition is true. Now this loop is just opposite to do while loop. Here what we do, we check the condition. If that condition is false, then we will be executing the loop again and again till the time that condition is false. And once that condition is true, we will be exiting that loop. But the main difference between do while and do until is that this won't get executed if there is the condition is false at the first check, but this will execute at least one. So it is called as the bottom tested loop. Do until loop is the bottom tested loop and do while is the top tested loop. So the first statement inside the body of do until loop will be executed, and after that the condition inside that do until will be checked. So at least once the execution will be performed for do until loop. So the statement or the commands inside the do until body will be executed at least once, either the condition is true. Now just come and discuss do until command having the parameter one parameter condition, which is same as the do while loop. But here if the condition is false, loop execute again and again till the time it is false, and once it is true, it will exit from the control will exit from the loop. But at least one time that loop will be executed, because the condition in do until will be tested in the bottom after executing the statements of those inside that body of loop, do until loop. Now statement and loop will be at least once, that's correct. Now this is the program. Loop is a loop, we have initialized the loop variable as 2. Here we can see this is the decimal variable and this is the message variable, is the character variable where we are giving the message. So message is like iteration, then the value of loop will be converted to the character and then concatenated with this. So currently the loop value is 2. So if loop is greater than 1, so that's correct, the condition is true. So so in this case this will be tested, this will be checked after first iteration. So at least once do until loop will be executed. So one time the loop will be executed, and after executing this statement once, the loop exits because the condition is true, value 2 is greater than 1. Either we are incrementing, here we are incrementing 2 plus 1 means doing the loop as 3, but at the first check only the loop value is greater than 1, which is actually 2. So but this check will be happened after first iteration. So at least once do until loop will be executed. So this is the first example of do until loop, and here is the second example where it executes 5 times. So loop value is 1, so loop is greater than equal to 5, so this condition is false, so the condition is false. Now this the statements inside this, the body of the do until loop will gets executed, then the value of loop will becomes 2, then again the condition is false, then again this statement will get executed. So this will execute it till this value reaches 5. So once the loop value reaches 5, the condition got true and the program exits. So just debug this program. First I compile this program, now I'll be debugging this program. CSPGM9Y star yes. Once the source is available, I'll be putting the breakpoint at line number 1. Now call this program, call clpgm9y, press F10. The loop value is initialized as 2. So, no, the condition is loop is greater than 2 is greater than 1. Yes, so the condition is 2, but this condition will be checked after execution at least once. So the message is now loop iteration 2 and the loop value becomes 3. So now after executing at least once, since the condition is true, so the loop do until loop will exit, because do until loop will only executed again and again till the time that condition is false. Once this is true, the control will exit from the loop. One loop exits. Now again this is the second example. This was the first example, which is showing that even after the condition is true, the loop executes at least once. Now in this case, loop value is 1, and we are checking the condition whether it is greater than equal to 5. So the condition, the result would be false, so it will execute the statements inside the body of the do until loop. So the message becomes iteration 1 and loop will increment it to 2. Again this is false, the condition is false, the message is iteration 2 and loop becomes 3. Again message 3 and the loop value becomes 4, iteration 4. Now so it executes 4 times. Now loop value becomes 5. So after once the loop value becomes 5, the condition is loop is greater than equal to 5. So the condition got true now, so the loop will exit. So that's correct, and the program ends. So this is the demo of do until loop or do until command in CL programming, and we also got to know the difference between do while and do until loop in CL programming. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.